Hitchhiking Town. Hi, this is Hitchhiking Town, a YouTube channel about trips, culture, and normal life on the road. We're going via Cavour Street. This is the center of Rome.
I got doors and windows boarded up. All your damn fury is not enough. You can silence
Great.
my love. Everything I have account is lost. Everything I have is stripped away.
Rome is a big, beautiful, and full city of secrets that can only be known if you let yourself be lost in the midst of it. I'm not saying that conventional tourism is poor, but letting to take yourself into a known area makes this an even more wonderful place.
Hello, hurricane. You can't silence my love. I got doors and windows boarded up. All your damn fury is not enough. You can't silence my love. Yeah, my love.
Now I will introduce you my first host here in Rome, the wonderful Fabio.
What?
Instruction, just drink.
Just drink, that's it.
Okay.
First time drinking mate. Don't touch it, the bombilla. Eh? No, you can touch it. No,
okay.
it's the rule.
Small o...
A little bit.
3, 2, 1... Buono!
Bueno, what do you think? Well, he likes the mate. Le ha gustado un montonazo. Yay!
Hello,